Alright, here you can schedule anything in AutoCAD MEP. So we're going to schedule some Cabletray. So make a selection of my Cabletray. We're going to use select similar. Come down here to extended data, and we're going to add the Cabletray object to it. So mine's already added, but you'll just hit this button down here, bottom left. I'm going to remove it momentarily, and we're just going to add that back. So you'll hit that button, add the property set to it. That'll add it to all of them. Now you're going to come up here to Style Manager, go ahead, Document Objects. If you need to create a property set, you can do that here. Schedule, Table Settings, and you can just New, give it a name, Applies to, just do Cabletray here. For columns, you'll go ahead, just select whichever field you want. And sorting grouping, you can go ahead and we can group on one of these. So that checkbox there will group on style, for example. And you can look into this a little bit more. You should be able to do subtotals, things like that. The part you actually may be struggling with is actually getting this to insert correctly. So many of you will come up here to like the electrical or piping tab, whatever it is. You'll notice that one that we just made is not here. So the command to bring this in, schedule add, and very important that you are looking at properties here. So you'll set this to the one that you just made. So if we have this, so we have it set to Cabletray right now, try to select conduit. It does not apply to conduit, so it won't let you. So the secret here is really make sure you have your properties open so that you can change the style that it's for. So we're on Cabletray, so I can do all these. I can insert it right there, and there's your table.